Okay, I'm getting ready this morning and my grays are coming through. Yay. But I'm going to show you what I use. It's the Clairol and it's a root touch-up. It's got this little brush in here. I'll just show you. It's like a little angled kind of brush and it works quite well. I have the dark brown because I like to have a dark brown root. So you're just going to put some of it on your brush. Now I tend to just kind of lean in and I'm going to go just along the hairline. And you will see the magic. It's awesome. Look at that already. It fills it in really, really well. And then it's great in between getting my hair colored. Unfortunately, you have to get it done a little more often now, but this works really well to tide me over. And can you see? It's actually filling it in so well. See how much better that is on the top? And even if you have a little bit on the sides, like around the temples, you can do the same there and it'll cover it up nicely.